Hello everyone, today let's talk about hub oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and there is metal. The color there is blue, there is copper, and it has made of rubber and metal. This size is internal diameter is 120, external diameter is 150, the center is 15. This oil seal have many following features. The first one is vulcanizes at a low temperature with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance, good abrasion resistance, good structure, aging resistance, oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, thickened spring, thickened skeleton. Look there, this is a spring. And we can also provide the customers the service. If you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries and we can send you the free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.